Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys on how to grow onions. This is a new concept for me. I'm growing onions for the first time this year, and I'm going to be planting them in my Black Smart Junior raised bed. And I actually have white onions and yellow onions. I did want to find if I could get purple onions, but unfortunately they did not have them available. So I grabbed what I can, and I really am excited. So I'm going to talk to you guys on how I'm going to plant them, what you should do on fertilizing wise, and how to take care of them for future date. So let's go ahead and jump right into the planting. So here I have some Vermistera Vitality Earthworm Casting. This is a beautiful liquid fertilizer that helps amend your soil and get it ready and gets it the packed nutrients your onions need to grow beautifully and set that beautiful bulb. So let me go ahead and apply this to the soil, and then we'll go ahead and discuss on how to properly plant your onion starts. Here I have my onion starch. So onion starch is just a very small, early, premature version of an onion. They just harvest it earlier so the growers like us or the gardeners like us can plant them out and take care of them in our own gardens and harvest them when they're ready for us to eat. So a few tips is that I let them soak for about an hour to an hour and a half because they're really dry when they're in the nurseries or getting transported to your house. They're usually really dry, so there's no moisture around it, so it can rot in the bulb. So make sure you give them a good drink of water before planting them so they can be healthy and ready to go. So make sure you let them soak in. So something that to plant them is that you're gonna take a little start, and then you're gonna bury this little nub right here below for about like an inch to half an inch below the soil surface. So let me go ahead and plant them and bring the camera closer and show you guys. So a few care tips on onions is that they require 6 to 7 plus hours of direct sunlight in order to thrive. Number 2 is that they have to have at least water every week in order to thrive. They do not like to dry out as often as if a drought tolerant plant would handle. So make sure that their soil is constantly moist, so make sure you go out there every week and check up on that soil. Number 3 is fertilizing. Fertilizing is really important when it comes to onions because these take up the nutrients like there is no tomorrow. So you have to constantly amend that soil so you can get a nice bulb of onion. So make sure you go in there and at least fertilize them about every month with the liquid fertilizer. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video I gave you guys the basics you need to learn on how to grow onions from starts. Hopefully you guys become pros at growing onions year after year, and your success rate is way higher than it used to be before, and you guys get some gorgeous onions at harvest time. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, please consider subscribing to the Ultimate Gardening channel to show us some support, as well as leave me any video suggestions or what you thought on this video in the comment section below, and I'll gladly reply to them, as well as do your video suggestions as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.